Hello and welcome to Rosalind's Kitchen. I hope everyone is having a good Friday. This is why I'm wearing black to commemorate. At this point, Jesus would probably have already been dead and put into the tomb. Today, it's not really going along with the whole Good Friday, but hey, it's chicken, which the leaders were kind of chicken because they waited until midnight or so to go and arrest him. This is lemon chicken, and it is a one-pan dish, so it should be very easy. And I'm now going to move on to making it. Let's go. All right, so I have my chicken, I have my Parmesan, I have Alfredo sauce, I have lemon herb seasoning, I have English peas, I have my pasta, and I have another thing of Parmesan, and of course my pan. So, the first thing I am doing is I'm going to heat my oven to 425 and then start mixing stuff. So let's go. All right, so have my pan. Now it says to mix my pasta. Put it in my pan. And my peas, my Alfredo sauce, I like these one dish meals because they make life so much easier, especially if, like, I don't know if you guys remember, but I am in the process of doing spring cleaning, and I'm still working on cleaning my kitchen. I have now finished all the shelves. And a fourth of a cup of water. So I'm definitely looking for making meals that are not particularly time consuming. There we go. Pinch of salt. Mix, mix, mix. Whoa! One of my pastas just ran away. I'm pretty sure they're not supposed to do that. But, you know, pastas are pastas. Alright, so we're mixing it. Get it well mixed up. Another pasta running away. One of the things I like about this one in particular is that once I get it in the oven, I don't have to worry about the little sucker. You know, I just I don't have to fry the chicken or anything. It practically doesn't count as actually being made, you know, like cooked by me, because there isn't a whole lot of recipeing. All right, so now I place the chicken in the pan. So and it doesn't say to pat the chicken dry, so I'm not going to. There we go. And now, put Parmesan. Hang on, I just realized I'm missing something. It says I should have panko. I think I'm going to have to fall back and punt. Okay, I see what happened. I'm supposed to have one package of Parmesan and one package of panko flakes. I got 2 Parmesans. So, anyway, what I'm going to do then is I'm just going, fortunately, I have my own panko, and so I am going to, let's see, top it first with the seasoning blend, then the Parmesan, and then the panko. So, okay. Now I'm only going to use one of my Parmesans since, or at least I think I will. Depends. Yeah, I think one packet of Parmesan will probably be sufficient for this tonight. All right. All right. And now, 2 tablespoons of panko. And as it happens, I have 2 fillets of chicken, so there we go. Encrusted! Yay! Where'd I go with the lid? There it is. All right, so now I must drizzle them with a little olive oil. There we go. And put them in the oven. All right, so here is the chicken. Get it up here where you can see it better. And here's what it's supposed to look like. I'd say it got pretty darn close. Now, let's see what it tastes like. All right, so tonight's meal was in the good. It wasn't great. It wasn't bad. It was just good. Or as Bernadette Peters would say in Into the Woods, nice. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow for meatballs. Till then, have a good Friday and take care of yourselves. Bye.